quiet.
Yep.
That's actually got a really lovely trigger.
Yeah. Nice long take up on it and then
Yeah.
smooth.
It just breaks. Just above, because I'm aiming at the red dot.
Yeah.
It's just above
Yeah,
the
well
back.
that's not set for factory. Yeah.
Key hold.
Do you know what? You could probably improve on your shooting there, because what you done there, you pointed, you actually went, you went all the way back in one. If you take it up lightly, about there, then do it.
Right.
And you went all the way.
Did I?
Yeah. That's nice long stroke. You just squeeze it gently. You'll feel a resistance at the end. Squeeze it gently. There's quite a bit of take up on it.
I'll tell you what, M4 has gone through that.
Yeah.
They're going in the right place.
Well, they're in there, but. Four gone left, there's 3 in one hole. Sure. Now I want the lighter stuff. This is the
So
lightest.
this is the one that was here.
Yeah, 30
Not
quid.
loaded.
Yeah, this is the light one.
Target's clean, the one you're at. The white one.
What you got there, mate?
Prices for some new guns.
yeah.
Alan, what are you going for? Yes, you were saying about that. In 300?
In 300 blackout,
Yeah.
that's not much more money than what there is in 308.
300 quid.
Yeah,
just
four. It was 800
Yeah,
quid
yeah.
for that one, and then 1178.
Bloody hell.
It's like extra money, isn't it?
That's a bloody lot of money.
Yeah, that is nearly 50% dealer rate.
Same caliber, basically, isn't it?
Yeah,
You know.
that would be nice. I don't know. It's a big difference.
Yeah.
Friends are terrible for grouping.
A lot more